Chapter 12. Natural Resources. Introduction. Resources are very important in human life. Many things such as food and medicines are obtained from plants. So, plants are called natural resources because they are provided by the nature. Resources make the life easy. In this chapter you will study about different kinds of natural resources. Natural resources. Natural resources are provided by the nature. The things that you need in your daily life are given by the nature. Food and medicines from the plants, coal and petroleum dug out from deep inside the earth are called natural resources. These resources make your life easy. There are mainly two types of natural resources. These are 1. Renewable resources. 2. Non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. These are something that are used to make daily use products and replaced faster. For example, wind, soil, water and sunlight are natural resources. Sunlight, it is the main source of energy. Solar energy is converted into chemical substances that are stored in different parts of plant. It is stored in photosensitive cells and is used in different ways like operating cars, using fans, etc. 2. Soil. It is a precious resource. The uppermost layer of the earth is soil. All plants grow in the soil and provide many useful things like fruits, vegetables, wood, etc. Soil also provides nutrients that help the plants to grow. 3. Water. Water is a precious liquid on the earth. Life cannot exist without water. It is the necessity of life. The main source of water is rain. Rainwater is used in agriculture and for generating electricity. Underground water is used for drinking and for irrigation. 4. Wind. Wind energy can be used to generate electricity, to draw underground water and operate flour mills. You get wind energy through windmills. Windmill is a toy with curved vanes revolving on sticks. Non-renewable resources. Resources that you use to make daily use products but are replaced more slowly than you consume it. They are limited and will vanish due to their extensive use, for example coal, petroleum, minerals, forests, etc. 1. Coal and petroleum. These are non-renewable resources that are formed by plants and animals that got buried under the ground millions of years ago. Due to the heat and pressure, these dead plants and animals got converted into coal and petroleum. They are used as a fuel in vehicles and industries in the form of diesel and petrol. In houses, they are used in the form of kerosene and gas. Various plastics, paints, fertilizers, etc. are made from coal and petroleum. 2. Minerals. These are the substances that make up the rocks and cover the earth. Many metals and minerals can be obtained from the ores. Metals are used for making pipes, cylinders, chairs, nuts, tools, railway tracks, etc. 3. Forest. Forest is a place where trees grow naturally. Trees give oxygen that is necessary for all living beings. They purify the air. You get fruits, flowers, vegetables, woods, medicines and many other things from the forests. Trees are being cut down at a very rapid rate that is leading to imbalance in nature that is further leading to global warming. 4. Wildlife. Wildlife is also one of the most valuable resources on the earth. Wildlife includes all types of wild animals such as lions, tigers, rhinoceroses, leopards, elephants, bears, deer, zebras and giraffes, etc. Various types of birds and reptiles are found in the forests as they are also the parts of wildlife. In India, various national parks, biosphere reserves and wildlife sanctuaries are set up in different parts of the country to keep the wild animals in their natural surroundings.